Hello, we just released a new feature that allows you to copy and paste the script instead of uploading it in PDF. So I want to show you how to use it. I think this is super relevant for commercial DPs and directors. So I'm going to use a mock script for 30-second commercial spot for sneakers. Here on the right is the voiceover, on the left is the visual treatment. I'm just going to copy the visual treatment all the way through. And then I'm going to go back into my ShotlistAI account. I'm going to log in, just as I do every day. And then I'm going to select new script like usual, but instead of pressing this button, I'm going to press this manually enter script link. I'm going to name my script. More commercial is just fine. And click next. Now you see the screen is empty. You can extend the box. This is scene. So scene 1, you can do multiple scenes, but for intents and purposes, one commercial is one scene. So I'm just going to name it more commercial, but you can add new scenes over there. And I'm going to paste what I just copied and hit generate. While we wait for Shotlist to return, notice here we started calculating also the length of each scene in 1/8 of a page. But here's our Shotlist. We have 9 shots. We have establishing, full shot, medium, etc. From here you can do everything as usual. You can make changes. You can export in CSV, another neat feature. And also you can toggle to include all the fields that you've pre-populated and all the description fields. So great. You could be done. Or you can ask us to generate images based on each of your shots. All you need to do is to fill out the general contact us form and tell us just the name of the script. You don't need to send anything, just your email address and the name of the script that you want to generate images on, and hit the send. We'll get back to you within 24 to 48 hours, and we can return to you a presentation like this, where for each shot there will be a slide with the description of your shots and a visual representation. Maybe we'll include one, maybe we'll include several images to choose from. We're still working on this. It's very much an experiment, and we are curious to hear from you whether you find it interesting or not. I'm going to include a link to this presentation in the post. So let us know what you think. Thanks.